So guys, once you're on Google Chrome, for the first step, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and now you want to click on Settings. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on About Chrome. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your Chrome is fully up to date. If it tells you to relaunch Chrome, then you want to click on Relaunch. For the second method, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and now you want to click on Extensions. Now you want to click on Manage Extensions. If you have any extensions installed that you think may be causing a problem, you could either disable it or you can remove it. An ad blocker could be preventing you from playing videos. For the next method, you want to click on the three dots in the top right again, and then click on Settings. And now once we're here, you want to search for Acceleration. You should now be seeing Use Graphics Acceleration when available. You could either turn it off, click on Relaunch, see if that works, or you could turn it on, and if it says Relaunch, you want to click on that, see if that works. So try this both on and off. For the next method, you want to go to the website where you want to play videos, so YouTube for example. Now once you're on our website, in the top left you want to click on this, View Site Information. Now you want to click on Cookies and Site Data, and then click on Manage On-Device Site Data. You want to delete everything that comes up here, and then click on Done, and then click on Reload. See if that works. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer, come back onto Chrome, and then hopefully this will now fix your problem.